Investing for women, it's not as daunting as it may seem. With a little knowledge and a solid plan, anyone can take control of their financial future. The first step in investing is understanding your financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or to start a business? Next, take a look at your risk tolerance. Investing always comes with some level of risk, but there are ways to mitigate that risk and still achieve your goals. Start small and diversify your portfolio. Putting all your eggs in one basket is never a good idea. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to reduce risk. Investing is a journey, not a destination. Stay informed, stay patient, and stay committed to your goals. Consider taking the time to learn more about personal finance and investing in general. Some recommended books could be The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins, and She Can Invest by Sally Krawcheck. There are many resources, like online courses, websites, blogs, and videos that can help educate you about the subject. You can also check out learning platforms such as Female Invest, which encourages women and teaches them how to start investing. You should always consult with a financial advisor in order to make the best decisions for your specific situation. Thanks for watching our video about investing for women. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.